was determined, and now we achieved. So here's the truth. You'll finally see that you can really do it on your own terms if you fight and believe. If you have a passion, then better chase it, otherwise you'll be a ghost. Working 9 to 5, doing things that you are not supposed. So passionate in your soul, and you feel it cutting close. Yeah, cutting so close, you sit in the cold, you feel like you froze. Honestly, man, well, you're only just getting them no's, but you wanna be on the field, playing with all of the pros. Honestly, now you would doubt yourself and do it like bro, yeah, man. I'm feeling conflicted, I'm feeling this doubt in my system, don't know if I can. So I'm telling myself I should quit, I'm telling myself that I should go be a man, cause I feel like I never will make it. But with the mindset, you're mistaken. You can really do it if you really want it, but instead you took the temptations. Temptations going crazy, man, you used to be like this kid, but now you envy and it makes you so sick. Man, listen here, you missed your shot, but not this kid, cause the kid is gonna do it, yeah, he's gonna make it big, like sure.
If I wanted to, choose to get over you. Broke into, I couldn't leave if I wanted to. I'm still amused. It's a sickness wrapped in red. You're the monster underneath my bed. It's a heartache left unsaid. You're the hottest flame that keeps me straight. But I will wait for you. And I will go and lose my mind. couldn't choose if I wanted to choose to get over you. Broke into, couldn't leave if I wanted to. I'm still on you.
I me dealing with the stress, I me dealing with the pain. Trying to find a way, cause I just wanna be alive. Cause I don't think that I just wanna go and die today. Man, I used to think to myself, yeah, why am I this way? Then I found out that I am a champion. Now I'm rising up in this light, yeah. I'm a champion, I'm a rise, but I'm never gonna give up. I don't care what the path, but the hiccups. I'ma get through now, I stick up for myself and my future. Cause I just want all of this greatness. Cause I'm a champion and I'm the one that is really gonna make it. I'm a champion. Whoa, hey. I'm a champion, I'm a champion. I'm effective, just doing my damage, man. They wanna be on the same level, but you don't really seem to practice, man. Man, I work so hard, man. I deal with the situations that just give me pain, but I push on cause I'm a champion, man. I'm working hard every day, yeah. I work so hard every day, cause I'm on the search and I'm searching for flame. Put a lip in my eyes, a lip in my body, now I'm rising up. Oh wait, to you it's a game, to me it is real. I'm on my path and I gotta go kill, cause I am a champion. Spitting these lyrics right now and I put them out, and this is super ill, but this is real, this is reality. Expressing these bars in the melody. Closing my eyes, but all of these people that really wanna keep on telling me this is nothing, this is fake. I am what? I am great. Man, that's what I say to myself, cause I'm making these waves and I'm making it happen. Oh, up in this lane, yeah, up in this lane. I've been mentally drained, cause I have been losing my sleep. Can I stay all awake while you just put on the mask, cause you're being fake? Well, I know that I'm a champion, so we don't resonate. Yeah, we don't resonate, but we never really did. I've been different since I'm a kid. I am a champion, I feel it all up in my pop, and I'm rising to love. Oh, this is it, this is gonna be my shot. So I got the opportunity and rise up to the top. Chill, rise up to the top. Carrying up my blade, I am just ready for all. Came to conquer the light. Y'all wanna play this game? Well, to me that's quite okay, as I've been to the mental bar first, so I win this anyway. I am a champion, yeah. I am a champion, oh. I am a champion, whoa. Hey, hey. I am a champion, whoa. I am a champion. Find it so hard like a Mexican, cause I'm in the battle, I'm ready for war. Yeah, I know I'm a champion, I'm a champion, I'm a champion, I'm a champion, ain't that right? Cause mentally I have been dodging the bullet, I'm doing it left and right. Cause I'm putting in the work while you sleep, and that's in the dead of night. So if you wanna be a champion, then be prepared to sacrifice. So go ahead and rise like a champion now. It's their hardest core is ice, you ain't getting them down. Broken, they've been broken down, but they got back up, so it's your turn now.
darkness inside is driving me crazy. I feel like it's fading away. She comes and she goes, she hurts and she blames me. I'ma keep it real till the death die. You ain't gonna walk this the way around. They be waiting hope to tear. But I'ma keep it real till the day I die.
Looking ass white kid, fly by homie, don't try it. I spray back with the old right hand, and I break that bitches don't right hand. And it's 4-4 feel like a titan, and it's door with the guy right in. And it's slow mo when the kid slide it, cause the po-po when the click ride it.
Lately I've been feeling a lazy. Darkness inside is driving me crazy. I feel like it's fading away. She comes and she goes, she hurts and she blames me. I'ma keep it real till the death die. You ain't gonna walk this the way around. Baby, waiting home till the day. But I'ma keep it real till the day I die.